Everyone is completely obsessed with chasing the latest clean energy startups. But the brutal reality is that 90% of the world's physical freight and heavy construction machinery still relies heavily on traditional diesel engines to actually function on a daily basis. Here is the tension facing global industry. Emissions regulations are becoming brutally strict, threatening to shut down these massive commercial machines entirely. Fleet operators are panicking over compliance. There is exactly one way to keep these massive engines running legally and safely. Today, this analysis breaks down a mid-cap juggernaut recently spun off from Cummins that completely dominates the commercial vehicle filtration market. They build the physical lungs for the industrial economy. Let's look at why the automated algorithms are completely missing this specific stock. If an investor runs this specific industrial ticker through a standard automated financial screener today, the computer will likely ignore it completely because it lacks the 10 years of clean historical data that these algorithms desperately need to calculate long-term valuations. Because Atmus Filtration was recently spun off from its parent company, it looks like a brand new, unproven mid-cap company on paper. Retail screeners dump it into the speculative pile. This creates a massive algorithmic blind spot. In reality, Atmus is a fully mature, dominant juggernaut with decades of entrenched industry relationships. Institutional money is quietly accumulating the stock because they know the algorithms are mispricing a highly established cash machine. But how exactly does a simple filter build a massive economic moat? To accurately value this specific industrial hardware, an investor must realize that a modern commercial mining excavator or heavy agricultural combine operates in some of the most incredibly toxic and physically dirty environments on the entire planet during its standard daily routine. The tension here is pure physics. If microscopic dust, contaminated fuel, or heavy water particles enter the main engine block, the massive machine will literally destroy itself from the inside out, costing the operator millions of dollars in damages. Atmus builds the highly specialized proprietary industrial lungs that protect these engines. The Moat analysis on the dashboard awards a solid 3 out of 5 for intangible assets because of their advanced engineering and manufacturing patents. Without their hardware, the industrial economy grinds to a total halt, but selling a filter once does not create a $2 billion valuation. The greatest danger for any traditional manufacturing business is that once they finally sell their heavy equipment to a commercial buyer, they never actually see another dollar of revenue from that specific customer until the machine breaks down a decade later. Heavy manufacturing is a brutal low-margin cycle. When the broader economy slows down, new equipment sales vanish completely, bankrupting the manufacturer. Atmus bypasses this trap entirely through the aftermarket replacement cycle. They do not just sell the original filter when the truck is built. They sell the required replacement part every few months for the next 15 years. This creates an unstoppable recurring cash flow engine that completely ignores macroeconomic slowdowns. Commercial fleets must buy replacement filters or their trucks die. Let's look at exactly how much cash this aftermarket cycle actually generates. Looking directly at the fundamental dashboard reveals that this recent spin-off is not burning cash to survive its independence, but is instead operating as an absolute financial fortress with an incredibly rare AAA prime stability rating and a flawless survival score. Spin-offs usually launch with toxic debt and terrible liquidity, setting them up for immediate failure during economic downturns. Atmus defies this trend completely. The dashboard shows a highly secure 2.95 Altman Z-score, placing them safely out of bankruptcy risk. They generate an impressive $38.1 million in positive operating cash flow and hold a powerful 2.53x current ratio, meaning they have more than double the cash needed to pay their short-term bills. They are highly profitable, posting a $48.4 million net income. But a strong balance sheet means nothing without a strong defense against competitors. If this current aftermarket cash flow is so incredibly profitable, a massive competitor could theoretically flood the market with cheaper generic filters to steal their commercial contracts and immediately destroy their top-line revenue before the current fiscal year actually comes to an end. Fleet managers are always looking to cut operational costs. The tension is the constant threat of cheap knockoffs. However, the Moat analysis awards a strong 3 out of 5 for switching costs. Integrating a new and tested filtration system into a multi-million-dollar commercial fleet involves severe re-engineering and testing. If a cheap generic filter fails, the million-dollar engine dies. Fleet managers absolutely refuse to risk a catastrophic engine failure just to save $10 on a replacement filter. The risk is too high. They are firmly locked into the Atmos ecosystem. This exact lock-in allows them to solve another massive industrial threat. Even with absolute customer lock-in and a highly profitable aftermarket cycle, any heavy industrial manufacturer remains dangerously exposed to sudden violent spikes in global raw material pricing that can instantly compress their operating profit margins and completely destroy their quarterly earnings. Building specialized filters requires constant purchasing of raw commodities like synthetic mesh, heavy steel, and engineered paper. If global supply chains break down and the price of these base materials skyrockets, manufacturing costs explode instantly. If a company is too weak to pass these new costs down to their buyers, they bleed cash on every single filter they sell. The Moat analysis on the dashboard awards Atmos a solid 3 out of 5 for pricing power. Because fleet operators absolutely must have these specific proprietary parts to prevent engine failure. Atmos can easily raise prices. They simply pass the inflation tax directly onto the customer without losing any market share. This pricing dominance leads directly into the final margin expansion catalyst. The final execution test for any new corporate spin-off relies entirely on how the new executive management team handles the massive pile of incoming capital during their very first few critical financial years, operating completely independently from their former parent company structure. New management teams often burn cash on terrible acquisitions or aggressively dilute the stock to fund risky growth experiments. Atmos maintains absolute capital discipline. The dashboard reveals an incredibly tight 0.1% annual dilution rate. They are fiercely protecting the equity pool. Armed with a staggering $498.6 million in positive retained earnings, they are using their cash flow to organically dominate the aftermarket cycle rather than printing new shares. As they scale, this capital discipline forces massive margin expansion directly into the underlying equity. The ultimate execution test is completely clear. Atmos Filtration is the silent industrial lung of the global economy. Algorithmic screeners are completely mispricing this juggernaut simply because it lacks historical data as a recent corporate spin-off. Fundamental analysis reveals an AAA-rated financial fortress dominating a highly lucrative aftermarket replacement cycle. Protected by severe switching costs and massive pricing power, management is fiercely defending shareholder equity with near-zero dilution. The execution test is simple. Can they maintain their commercial fleet monopoly as global emissions regulations continue to tighten? Are you betting on this highly profitable aftermarket engine? Or is the lack of historical trading data simply too risky for your portfolio? Let me know in the comments. For all the tools, financial dashboards, and deep dive analytics utilized in this video, check out the link to www.stock-teller.com in the description below. Remember, this is not financial advice. You're watching Stockteller, where every ticker has a tail.